Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send Telegram invitation on Zenler course enrollment. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new enrollment of a user in my Zenler course, then automatically I want to create an invite link for my Telegram group, and after creating that invite link, I want to send that via email to my user that has enrolled to my course. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Zenler, Telegram and Gmail. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and actions. In trigger application, I'm going to use Zenler. In action application, I'm going to use Telegram and Gmail. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we have an exciting tutorial for all of you. So I will be walking you through the process of sending a Telegram group invitation to students who enroll in your Zenler course. So this is a fantastic way to enhance your course community and keep everyone connected. So let's get started. And here we are going to set up a connection between Zenler, Telegram and Gmail in such a way that whenever a student gets enrolled in my Zenler course, then automatically I'm going to create an invite link of my Telegram group for that student, and I will send that invitation via email. So for setting up this connection and automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, this automation requires zero coding and programming skills. Now for using Pabbly Connect, what we need to do is we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send Telegram invitation on Zenler course enrollment. Now I need to click on create. And here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Zenler. So I'm going to select Zenler here. And now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new enrollment to a course will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Zenler in my workflow. So for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL, and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Zenler and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting Zenler in my workflow, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to my Zenler account. So here this is my Zenler account, and here I'm on my courses section. So here I have all these courses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this particular course of Python for beginners, and I'm going to connect this course with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open this. And now for connecting this course with Pabbly Connect, I need to go to automations. And in automation, I need to add a new automation rule. So I'm going to click here. And now I'm going to add my rule. So I'm going to open this tab, and on enroll will be my first rule. And in this, I'm going to add my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And send webhook will be my action, so I'm going to select that. And now I need to first give my action name, so I'm going to clear this, and new enrollment will be my action name. Now I need to give a hook URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to click on save changes. I'm going to click on yes. And here I've successfully added my webhook, and I have updated my action. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how we are going to get this webhook response? For that we need to make a new enrollment for our course inside Zenler. Now for enrolling a student into my Zenler course, I'm going to open my course page in a new tab, And here I'm going to sign up as a student so that I can enroll into my course. So here I'm going to click on sign in. And here I'm going to click on sign up. And I'm going to sign up as a new student. So here my first name will be Alex. Last name will be John. Email will be alexjohn@pabblytudes.com. And now I'm going to give a password. I need to confirm my password. And I'm going to click on sign up. And here I have sign up as a student. Now I'm going to enroll into this course of Python for beginners. So I'm going to open this. And now I'm going to click on enroll in course. And here this is my email address that is already filled as I have already logged in. Now I'm going to click on enroll for free. And here I have successfully enrolled into my course in Zenler. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received the response. So in this response I have all these details. So here I have the name of my student, that is Alex. I have the last name, that is John. I have my enrollment date, that is 24th of May 2024. I have the email address, that is alexjohn@pabblytudes.com. And here I have my course URL. I have my course name, that is Python for beginners. And I have my course ID. So here we can see that I have received all the detail of my student and my course. Now what I need to do is I need to use all the details of my student, and by using all these details I want to send an invitation to my student to join my Telegram group. So first what I need to do is I need to create an invite link for my Telegram group. So for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Telegram. So I'm going to select Telegram bot here. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create chat invite link will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Telegram with Pabbly Connect, I need a token. So how I can get this token? For that, let me take you to my Telegram account first. And here I'm going to use bot father. So I'm going to open that, and I'm going to start this bot. Now here I need to create a new bot first. So I'm going to click here on this /new bot button. And now I need to give a name to my bot. So my bot name will be Pabbly Invites. So I'm going to send this. And now I have to give a username. So for the username, I have to keep one thing in my mind, that my username should always end with _bot. So I have to give my username here. So my username will be Pabbly Invites _bot. So I'm going to send this. And here we can see it has generated this token, and I have started my bot. So first I'm going to copy this token, and I'm going to open this bot, and I'm going to start this. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste my token here, and I'm going to click on save. Now I have successfully connected Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. Now for creating my chat link invite, I need to give a chat ID. So here I have to give the chat ID of my group for which I want to create my invitation. So for my chat ID, I have to take you back to Telegram. And here I have this group that is named as Python for Beginners discussion group. So I want to create invitation of all my students for this particular group. So first what I need to do is I need to open the profile of this group, and I need to add my bot first. So I'm going to click here on this add button, and here I'm going to search for my bot. So my bot is Pabbly Invites. So I'm going to add my bot here. So here I have added my bot in my group as a member. And now I need to do one more step, but for that I need to use my mobile phone where I have my Telegram application. So by using my mobile phone, I'm going to promote my bot as an admin for this group. And I can only do that with my mobile phone because Telegram web does not support promoting anyone inside the group. So I'm going to promote my bot as an admin. And here we can see that I have promoted my bot as an admin. Now I need the chat ID for this particular group. And for the chat ID, I need to go to my path URL. And in the path URL, I have this chat ID. So in the last, after this hash, everything is my chat ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that as my chat ID. Now I need to fill expiry date and member limit. So if you want to keep any expiry date for your invitation link, and you can set up your member limit too. But I don't want any of these things, so I'm not going to fill any detail here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have this result invite link. So this is my invitation link of my group that I've created for my student that has enrolled into Zenler. Now what I need to do is I need to use this link to send an invitation to my student to join my Telegram group where I have my course community. So for sending the invitation, I'm going to use Gmail and I'm going to send an email to my student. So I'm going to add my last action step here. And here my action application is going to be Gmail. So I'm going to select Gmail here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send email will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Gmail. Now I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And here my connection is successful. Now first I need to give my recipient email addresses. And here I'm going to use the email address of my student that is going to enroll into my Zenler course. So I'm going to receive my email address of my student from my Zenler response. So I'm going to use that and I'm going to map that here. So for that I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open the response of Zenler. And here this is my email address. So I'm going to map this. Now as I have mapped the email address, I'm going to scroll down and I need to give a sender name. So my sender name will be PabbCon. And now I'm going to scroll down and I need to give an email subject. So here my email subject will be join our course community on Telegram. And now I have to select my email content type. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to use HTML as my email content type. So I'm going to select that. And now I have to give my email content. And if you don't know how to create HTML content for your email, then what you need to do is you need to click on this hyperlink and it will take you to a video that will show you how you can create your HTML content for your email. So here I'm going to give my email content. So my email content will be, so here this is going to be my email content. And in this email content, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first clear the student name. And here I'm going to map the name of my student. So for mapping the student name, I'm going to open the response of Zenler. And here this is the first name of my student. So I'm going to map this. I'm going to give a space and I'm going to map the last name. And similarly in this line of to join the group, please click on the link below. And here I have to give my invitation link that I have created by using Telegram. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open the response of Telegram. And here this is my invitation link. So I'm going to map this. Now here I have mapped all the detail. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive new response of a new student from Zenler, then automatically I'm going to use those details and all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. So I'm going to click here. And here I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have sent this email automatically to my student to invite them to join my Telegram group. Now to check this, let me take you to my Gmail account. And here on Gmail, I'm on this send section. So here I've sent this email to Alex John. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my email. So my email subject is join our course community on Telegram. And it was sent to Alex John. And here this is the name of my student, that is Alex John. And here this is my email that I've sent to my student. And automatically with this email, I'll send this invitation link that can take my student to my Telegram group. And by using this link, my student can join my Telegram group. So I'm going to open this link. And here we can see this is my invitation link that I've created by using Telegram. And I've created this invitation link to join my group of Python for Beginners discussion group. So here we can see that I've sent this invitation link via email to my student. Now let's go back to Gmail, and here I have successfully sent this email to my student. And now whenever a new student will be enrolled in my course in Zenler, then automatically I'm going to first create an invitation link for my student for joining my Telegram group, and automatically I'm going to send that invitation link via email to my student. So here my connection between Zenler, Telegram and Gmail is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have created this automation between Zenler, Telegram bot and Gmail to send Telegram invitation on Zenler course enrollment. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Zenler, and my trigger event was new enrollment to a course. Then I have set up my action steps, and first I have used Telegram bot as my action application, and my action event was create chat invite link. Then in the last I have used Gmail, and I have used Gmail to send email. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.